So if you do not want to display your name in the email that you sent and you'd like to change the reply to address, that's very easy. You simply go to the settings option, then you go to all settings. Now once you're in the all settings section, you're going to go to accounts and import. Then under accounts and import, you have the option where it shows you send email as. Now under this, you can always change your address by clicking on edit info, and then you can go to this section and you can change the name that you want to appear. Now you can either select the name that appears on Google, or you can type your own name. Now you can also maybe you have the email address there, and now this is the point where you can change the reply to address. This is what the recipients will be seeing to when they try to reply to your email. So you can edit this and type anything that you prefer. It will not change your email address, but you just have the reply to option, or it will be showing from this person, but reply to the second one, which you can edit and select. So that's what you do if you want to change your reply to address within Gmail. If you've not watched how to set up maybe two-factor authentication for your Google account, and you've not also watched how to organize your email inbox, then click on the videos that pop up above or the links in the description and learn more and enjoy using Gmail as an email or message sending service.